everyone, welcome back to Hana Crochet Design. My name is Eva, and in today's video I'm gonna share with you how I decorate my digital planner in Goodnotes apps. I created this digital planner in Procreate apps. I have the tutorial to design this planner in my Skillshare. Usually I posted crochet jewelry classes on Skillshare, but I also have other passion which is drawing, which I really want to explore more. If you sign up to my class, you'll get the planner template as well as the monthly spread. I'll show you how I sketch and color all the flowers and also how to add hyperlink in Keynote apps. Hyperlinks are clickable links, so when you click on the monthly tabs at the right side here, it will automatically take you to the specific monthly spread. So if you're interested to learn how to design your own digital planner, you can check out my Skillshare class. The link will be provided down below, and if you sign up using my link, you'll get 1 month free premium membership. You'll be able to watch this tutorial as well as my crochet classes. In this video, I'm going to share with you how I decorate my June spread. I started with the days. I'm using green highlighter that is similar to my planner background. And with a darker pen, I started writing the days. For writing small text, I usually use 0.3 mm pen size. There's no school for the entire month of June, but we didn't travel anywhere even though some parts of the world are open again. We decided to stay in Singapore and ask our family member to come over. Instead of traveling, we went on staycation at city area for 2 days. But unfortunately, Emma was really sick, so we decided to went home on the second day. It was a very tiring night for all of us as we had to bring her to emergency clinic at 2 a.m. because she had high fever and was coughing nonstop. And the next morning, we brought her again to see her PD. The doctor suspected she had bronchitis and must be admitted to hospital, so we did blood tests and x-ray. And thankfully, the result was okay, so we brought her home and get some rest. And a few days later, after Emma had recovered, Hannah was started to cough. We brought her to clinic. She was tested negative. The doctor prescribed her cough syrup, and thankfully, a few days later, she's okay. I also attended Dr. Secret Starlight Festival. It was their first offline event after COVID. Dr. Secret is the skincare product that I've been using. It is a Singapore-based skincare product. And finally, this was the day that we had been waiting for. My family finally came over. We haven't seen each other for almost 3 years. My mom came here when Emma was just 7 months old, and now she's 3.5 years old. We went to Changi Airport in the morning to fetch them, and it was really a happy day. Hannah was so happy to meet her cousin again, and we had planned a lot of things to do when they were here. We visited Botanic Garden. We also visited Lake Kungchian Natural History Museum. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking from here and let you just see how I decorate my monthly spread. My highlight for this month of June is definitely my family coming over to Singapore. And I'm very happy to see the kids getting along really well together. Even Emma was right away clicked with her aunt and her cousin. So this is the situation at home. It was very chaotic. They started playing right away after they woke up. Sadly, school holiday was over. My family had to return to Jakarta. Both kids were sad. Emma told me that she missed her cousin, but that's okay. We will meet them again soon as we have planned to travel back in December. All right, that's how I decorate my June spread on my digital planner. If you're interested to learn how to create and design your digital planner, don't forget to check out my Skillshare class. If you sign up using my link, you will get 1 month free premium membership. I'll provide a link down below and see you next time.